Interview. So, congratulations to Dr. Unika
Thank you so much, ma'am.
for clearing this exam in the first attempt and with a very good score, amazing score of 182. And your university is which one, dear? Ivano?
Ivano
Frankivsk?
Frankivsk National Medical University, Ukraine.
Oh, that's amazing. And she has been in the online batch.
Yes.
And at present, she is residing in Chandigarh. So she is talking to us from Chandigarh. So congratulations to you again, and from the whole, from myself also, from the whole Mist family.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
We want to listen your experience.
So I joined Miss on 1st of August. It was an online batch. And then it took me a lot of time to, cope up with the timings because I've never studied so much, to be very honest, in my entire life, as much I've studied in these 6 months. And earlier, my sitting was not that much, but then you have to do what the teachers told us, whatever they teach us in a day, you need to revise it on that particular day only. So I had to sit down and revise it. And, you can't give your time to any other activities. It's just studies, food, dinner, take a bath, and then sleep, and then repeat the same activity again and again for the rest of 6 months. So it's a pretty hectic job, but then in case you put your head and mind into it that you want to clear this exam, you can do it in your first attempt. It's not impossible, but I think it requires a lot of effort.
The word which you said now, that it is not impossible, that is the main thing. And this is the thing which everybody need to realize.
Yeah.
Usually what happens now, when we are studying so many subjects together, so this things pops up in our mind ki, oh, we will not be able to do, or the doubts are created. So the very first thing I would like to say is that what she said, what Dr. Onika said is, it is possible, nothing is impossible in fact, and you have to put your hard work during this 6 months. Though it is hectic, as she told ki, it is a bit hectic. Social life is also cut off, है ना, because social life
Yeah,
cut off हो
true.
जाती है, you are just staying in your room and studying. वो एक जो lifestyle है वो बिल्कुल हो जाता है, sleep, then study,
Wake up,
eat, sleep, eat, study, that's it.
eat, sleep, study, repeat.
Repeat, repeat, repeat.
Yeah.
So during a preparation, like you were doing the classes from morning to evening, then how you used to manage after that?
I used to take a break. I used to go for a walk at 7 p.m. After that, I used to talk to my parents. They were a great support to me. If in case I was having any doubts or confusion that I can't do it, they're always very supportive and very positive. कि हो जाएगा बेटा, इतने लोग का हो जाता है, seniors का हो जाता है, तो तुम्हारा भी हो ही जाएगा. And then I used to come back to my room and I used to open my books and start revising or repeating things. And then I used to revise like after the subject wise test, the day that was the free day for me. So I used to revise the complete thing. I used to try. It is not that I've achieved it every time, but I used to try to cover all the things which have been taught in the past 6 days to, just to flip pages and see it again. And also, I want to tell you the subject wise tests are really very important. And do not skip the test, as Kunal sir says us every time. And he's a very, motivational speaker. And I think you should not skip any of your tests, not the subject wise test, not the mock test, not the topic wise test. And we also had all the tests. I mean, you cannot skip the test. You need to give your test, guys.
Yeah, that is actually true. You are very much true about this, and in fact, you have proved this by your results also. That don't never ever skip the test. Give the test, because you never know that what benefit is coming up to you by giving that test and those doing those questions. Maybe such same topic questions may come in the exam also.
Exam
Plus,
also.
you are able to assess also. So
Yeah.
this is very good thing कि तुमने सारे test दिए, you have given all the tests, you have not skipped anything, and during your classes also you were being so focused. That is a very good thing. And like how like when you were studying the workbook, like we stress upon the concepts, the concept building. So how did you find that classes? कि concept building कितना beneficial लगा?
I think आपकी क्लास मैम कोई अटेंड कर ले तो उसे एनाटॉमी में आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर विल बी इवन अ 0.2% ऑफ कंफ्यूजन इन एनी ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. यू आर टू गुड मैम, आई कैन टेल यू. मतलब यू आर लाइक अ वुमन आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू, बिकॉज मैंने कभी ऐसा पढ़ा ही नहीं किसी इंसान से. मेरे को एनाटॉमी समझ ही नहीं आती है ना. when I opened your videos and I started watching it, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था इतना easy है, इतने 5 साल हो गए कि कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था, and all of a sudden everything is going inside my head. It's so systematic, so organized the workbook is. You can easily revise it. So there were not much of questions from anatomy, and I was very upset about it because that workbook was like really very systematic and organized कि आप एक बार खोल के आराम से पेज पलटोगे आपके सब दिमाग में चला जाएगा. But there were like I think there were only a few questions of anatomy I feel in the given
And I'm very
exam.
overwhelmed to hear about this, that you are happy with anatomy subject and you were able to understand the things. See, it does not matter if the questions are less or more, but the what matters is the concept. Because if the concept is clear, you are able, you must have been able to correlate with the other subjects also. And this time it happened that by chance the questions were a bit less, like direct questions were less, more of integrated questions. But it is not the same every time, na?
Yes, ma'am.
And when the syllabus was complete, then what was your approach after that?
Ma'am, whatever Miss provided, they told us to, after the topic-wise test, there was subject-wise test. So whichever subject was there, I used to complete that subject, but I wasn't able to complete, the previous subjects tests. So I used to just do one subject, which was the upcoming test, and then move on to the next subject. And I couldn't, give a second revision to it. So that was something I was very scared about. And there was a time between subject-wise test and mock test, which I was very anxious and very upset and very scared, and I started crying. Then I had fever, and then I was calling all my friends that I cannot do this because that gap was something. I did not want to give the mock test because I was very scared. I thought I forgot things. I don't remember anything. I do not want to give it. I don't know anything. I was just very afraid of it. After the subject wise test and before the mock test, there was this phase which was really bad for me. I couldn't sleep, and it was very scary. But then I had lovely friends around me who told me that ho jayega, you're capable of it. I couldn't believe in myself, but everybody around me, they had a faith that it will happen for me. So that was something I was really grateful for.
So really, you are blessed with very good friends, in fact, who have supported you throughout, and in your family also supported you throughout. That is a very blessings with us, basically.
Yeah, yeah, true
So
that.
if your parents are here, I would also like to congratulate them on the behalf of Miss Team.
Yeah, can you give me a minute?
Yeah, 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 definitely, definitely.
Here's my dad.
Congratulations to you,
Thank you, ma'am.
and
Good
thank
evening.
you for supporting your child, Dr. Unika. Now not child, she's doctor and Dr.
Uh,
Unika.
yeah, madam, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for all the help, all the support, all the guidance that has been provided to Unica through your mist. And we are really very thankful to you, ma'am.
That's so nice to hear, and we would also like to hear some words, like if you want to give some suggestions to other parents also, because the parents, the backbone, they actually matter a lot, and what the parents think and what the parents speak or say, that changes a lot of things. तो अगर आप कुछ भी सजेशन या कोई भी बात कहना चाहेंगे बाकी पेरेंट्स के लिए भी.
Madam, like I asked her when she joined MIST, which is the best institute which can provide you this regarding this guidance. So she told me that there are other prep ladder, other institutes are also there. But she said, "Okay, I want to go for MIST because they have very qualified doctors, and the pass percentage of MIST is much better as compared to others." So that's why we have decided to go for MIST. So that was the main reason. and I have seen myself, like I have seen when she was taking classes, the doctor, they used to explain so nicely. Even a raw chap like me, even I can also understand what you are teaching. But like you get into so much of detail for each and everything that even the raw man, in case he is sitting, he will also understand कि आप क्या पढ़ा रहे हो, किस तरीके से पढ़ा रहे हो, वो भी बंदा समझ जाता है. It takes little time, and the way of teaching is very good, I must say.
Thank you. Really, thanks for that. Or again, congratulations to you.
Thank
In
you so
fact, to
much,
your
ma'am.
whole family.
Thanks a lot,
Family
madam.
is a continuous
Thank you
support
so
to
much.
you.
Thank you so much. We are really very grateful to you that she has become doctor, and it is just because of your guidance and all your support.
डॉक्टर उनिका, आपसे मैं पूछना चाहूंगी, लाइक व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू टेल योर जूनियर्स, कि एक सक्सेस मंत्रा कुछ देना चाहोगे कि क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे तैयारी करनी चाहिए,
Um,
स्पेशली आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी जूनियर्स.
all right. You need to revise a lot, because in case you have studied something, don't study, from different sources. Just study whichever institute you join, just study from that particular institute, and only the topics, like you have to cover everything, but you need to give multiple revisions first of all. Then you need to practice MCQs. You need to give all the tests, the subject wise test, topic wise test, mock test. You need to give everything. Whatever the institute is saying, I think a person must follow that, and I think he or she'll clear the exam.
Definitely your tips will really matter, and all your friends who are listening to you, definitely it will be very, very helpful to all of them. And truly said कि trust your source and follow one source. That is a very important thing. And to be persistent, you should be continuously studying. And in fact, जो आपके juniors हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि they should start studying at this point of time only, because so that they can build something basics,
Yeah.
and it will become easier for them. Then when they land up over here, when they come over here, then in the 6 months they can revise all the 19 subjects together. So I think they should start studying. अगर आपके जो second year, first year, third year और जो juniors हैं, they should start studying at that time only, ताकि थोड़े से basics तो clear हों.
हाँ जी ma'am, true.
So congratulations, dear, again, and I
Thank you, ma'am.
wish you
Thanks a
best of
lot,
luck
madam.
for
Thank
your
you very
future.
much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I wish that you keep succeeding like this in the future also.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And you have got very nice jacket.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, congratulations again.
Thank you so much, ma'am.